Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the tiered syndication feature for those of you that have access and you have access to our agency account. Alright, so to use access to our tiered account creation, you just come here to campaigns. You'll see here it says add tiered campaign. And for those of you that don't know what a tiered syndication is, it pretty much means that SynLab is going to syndicate your content. And then you'll be able to tell SynLab to syndicate that content that it just syndicated to get even more link juice. This is going to allow you to not only get your syndicated content indexed faster, but it's going to give it more authority because you're building backlinks to your backlinks, okay? If you need more information, you can just go to Google and type in tiered backlinks, and you'll get more information and more detailed explanation. But pretty much you're building backlinks to your backlinks, and this, not only gives you more authority to your main content, but it allows you to get that main content indexed faster to get quicker results. Okay, so here I'm going to do tiered test. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to add multiple tiers. Okay, so let's say I click add tier 1. It's going to be whatever my campaign is going to be for my main group. So this is the content that I'm going to syndicate to my main group of accounts. Okay, now let's say that this group that I'm going to be posting to is a blog group. Okay, so I'm going to be posting to all my different blogs. Let's say I'm posting to all my different private blog networks in this tier 1. And then in tier 2, let's say that I have a group just full of social accounts and Twitter accounts. So what's going to happen is SynLab is going to syndicate all of my blog posts in this group, and then it's going to take those URLs and it's going to post them to my social groups here if that's the way that I set it up. Or if I say that I want to post, say that this group is my my video syndication group, that I'm syndicating videos out there, and then I want SynLab to syndicate that to my blog posts, I can do that as well. Okay, you can set it up however you want depending on the groups that you select here. Okay, so and you can do even a third tier as well. So let's say you syndicate blog posts, and then you have those blog posts syndicated onto your social accounts, or let's say all your Twitter accounts, and then you have those Twitter accounts syndicated to your bookmarking accounts, for example. Okay, you can do that as well. I'm going to just do two tiers for now. So for example, let's say that I'm syndicating blog posts, and then I want my blog posts to be syndicated to my different social accounts. Okay, so just a hypothetical example there. I hit create, click OK. And then here, we're going to do the same exact thing as if you were syndicating a normal account. Okay, you're going to select if you wanted to start on a specific date, and if you wanted to start on save as well. Okay, here you have the options as well, like I said before, to be able to edit the different content, since in those two account groups that I selected on the previous page, I have social in there, I have blogs, I have bookmarks, and I have video editors. So here you just fill out the information just like I showed you when starting a campaign. So test tier, and then you can add your link. Blog editor, same thing. You can fill it out exactly how I showed you when starting a campaign. This is a full, what you see is where you get editor, so you can get as creative as you want. You can embed your video embed code there as well, like I said before. The bookmark editor, same thing. You put the title, you put the URL, you put your tags, you put any comment here, or you can even put no comment, whatever you want. Okay, you can attach a featured image as well. Here under video editor, same thing, you put the video title, the category, the tags, the description, and you attach your video here. Okay, it's that simple. Once you select how your tiered campaign is going to work, setting up that tiered campaign is the same as you would set up a regular campaign. Okay, so if you have access to the tiered campaigns feature, make sure that you take advantage of that, because it has some very, very powerful effects to your campaigns.